Right then, welcome back to my new video. It's Dad Makes Dough. My name's Lewis, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make money with books completely for free. You know, no upfront cost, 100% profit on each book I do, and this is just my way of doing it. So then first things first is, where do I get these books from? So FBA, nothing like that, but it has got like a 2 million, you know, sales rank. So don't really know what I'm going to do with that. Should I wait on it? Should I not? I'm not too sure. There's nothing on FBA. Let me know what I should do with this one. Next one, Baking Bible, £22. It goes for used. There's nothing on FBA. You know, so I'll pitch that a little bit higher. Get that sent in. Next one, this dairy free book. All these I picked up for free. All these cookbooks. So this goes $10.99 and there's no FBA again. So, you know, let's get that sent off. There's a grapefruit one, that's £9. Get that. And there's a cupcake one as well with no FBA, that's $12.99, that's going for use. You know, the other ones, what can I do with those? So I've got a lot of Weight Watchers books, which are like, there must be ones that you get if you do Weight Watchers and stuff like that. Didn't really know what to do with them. They don't really scan, they're quite high rank on FBA, so I think what I'm going to do with those ones particularly is I'm going to bundle them up into Weight Watchers bundles and stick them on eBay. Stuff like that. So if you did enjoy this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, you know, stay updated with all my posts, all my videos, stuff like that. Let's see if we can hit 100 subscribers. You know, it's gonna, hopefully my previous video went down quite well. I hope you all enjoyed it. Just documenting the journey. My Instagram and all my links below will be in the description. Follow me on there, I'm quite active on Instagram and stuff like that. So yeah, cheers for watching.